Hello, fashion friends. I have an amazing Walmart haul for you today, and you don't want to miss this one because there are some new time and true jeans that you need in your closet that are so amazing. I cannot wait to show them to you, and I've got some other great things, jackets, tops, dresses in this video as well. So thanks so much for watching, and remember to love your neighbor and be kind. So this time and true, a ruffle neck button front shirt is your new best friend for spring because it's such a lightweight cotton and it has this cute little puff sleeve and lots of details in this one with the plaid, and then it also still gathers in the back. So this top is $18 and it's really unbelievable. Very, very cute. And it's a nice, just relaxed fit. I tucked it in because that's how I would wear it, but you could wear it out too, and it's super easy. You can see it's not super long, and this one is just fabulous. And I did put it on with some new time and true jeans that I'm so excited about, and this is their high rise wide leg jean. Y'all look at these. They are so good and so inexpensive. I'm wearing my true size and they fit perfectly. The length is a 30-inch inseam. They say it's a 31, but I measured it. So they have a long length in them as well. So I probably should have ordered them to see what they were and what length they were, but I did get the regular and they're perfect on me with flats. So I was very, very excited. They have a lot of stretch in them and are just fantastic. So definitely check these out if you want an affordable, the most affordable wide leg jean I've seen all season long. And the shoes that I decided to put with them are these time and true woven flats that are amazing. I've shared these before, but I'm going to share them again because this is the perfect shoe to wear in the springtime. And these woven flats, woven leather, but these are faux leather, are just super on trend for the season. So these are great and they come in a few different colors for you. This is the free assembly button shoulder sweater, which has a little bit of a vintage feel because of those buttons. And I do want to point out that the neckline is a little bit higher on this one, which I thought was interesting, but it's really comfortable and soft since this is a cotton blend. And I loved the pink in this and the stripes. I thought it was great. And it's also a cropped length. So you could wear this with lots of different things, make it casual or even dress it up. And it does come in a couple of other colors. And the jeans I have on are a high-rise patch pocket wide leg jean in pink. I was so excited. Now, Free Assembly has had these in lots of different washes, and I love that they added this pink this year. They also added short, regular, and long length to these. So definitely check them out if you need short or tall. And I got the short and they're perfect. It's a 30-inch inseam and I think they're amazing. And I have these in the regular and they're too long for me in some of the denim washes from previous seasons. But the patch pockets are easy and these are just fun and a great spring jean to have. And the shoes, of course, I have on are pink. And these are the Free Assembly little mesh Mary Janes. And I have been dying for these to come in. And y'all, they are really soft and cushiony and fit my foot really well. That top strap is completely adjustable. And even this block heel feels really good. So this was very well made and very, very much an adorable shoe to have. And I'm seeing a lot of pink shoes for the spring season. This is the Free Assembly cotton mini shirt dress, which does button all the way down the front, and I love that they covered the buttons here. And it also has a great, really stretchy elastic waist that is very comfortable and also very cute how it was designed. And then it has an A-line skirt with these different panels that have the stripes that go in different directions. So I think it has a lot of character. So it's classic with a little bit of a spin, and I just think it's so much fun. It also has perfect pockets, and I think this is a great everyday dress or an occasion dress to have. And I've styled it really classically here with a pair of just Mary Jane flats that are a woven faux leather. They're by Time and True, and I thought they were a perfect match with this and keep it really cute and still very comfortable. One of my favorite things at Walmart is their Scuba Knit by Scoop. And this is the zip neck top, which has been one of my favorites. It comes in this beautiful Baltic Sea blue that I have just been so in love with. And this is one of my favorite styles that they have ever done in the scuba knit. It's so comfy and just has a very modern look and feel to it. And they finally got in the matching pants I have been waiting for because I've had this for a little while. And so the matching pants are just a pull-on pant. It's cropped wide leg and has pin tucking in the front here. And they are so comfortable. And I like having matching sets. So it took them a while to get these in, but they are finally here. So if you got this top early on, grab these or grab both of them now if you can. I love this outfit. And I have on the No Boundaries retro sneakers in this blue, which were a perfect match. And a lot of people have asked me, what do I wear my colorful sneakers with? Try to find colors that are similar or match or contrast to it. So I think this is such a cute outfit for the springtime, and I can see myself wearing this a ton. And these sneakers come in loads of different colors and are a major bestseller. So I know you guys have been eyeing this tote bag over there on that table, and this is by Free Assembly, and it's the Allegra faux leather cutout tote bag. And look how cool this is. It has a nice magnetic strap here that keeps it closed, and then it has that canvas lining with some great pockets. So what a nice bag. I was very impressed with this, and it looks just like it did online. And I love that you can see the canvas through the holes there. So what a nice design. And then the shoulder straps are perfect too. So it's very comfortable under the arm, and I think it's a perfect size. And this one comes in one other color. This is another easy top by Time and True, and it's the cotton button front blouse that is in this really cute colorway, which is navy and brown. And I really like that it has a 3/4 inch sleeve with the elastic cuff there and the buttons down the front. Make it look a little bit more dressed up because they're done a little bit differently than your normal button-up shirts. And it's a nice, just easy, loose, relaxed fit that you can tuck in or leave out. So just one of those perfect little tops for springtime. And I decided to style it with these jeans, which I'm really excited about these. This is a patch pocket flare jean by Time and True that fits perfectly again. It has a super high rise though. It is above my belly button, so I'd guess it might be 12.5 inches. And it does button all the way down the front too. And I like that, and I like the patch pockets and how they've done those. And there's a lot of stretch in these, and then they have a great inseam. It's a 31 inch. I can wear them with flats, and they just look really good. Even the pocket placement on these is cute. So these do not look like Time and True jeans to me, so I'm very, very impressed. And these also come in a tall for you tall gals. And I put them on again with these little Mary Jane flats again by Time and True that are the woven flats because the color matched my blouse perfectly. Sometimes my daily go-to is a favorite sweatshirt and some jeans. And so this little Time and True sweatshirt I thought was so good because it's short sleeve and a little bit of a drop shoulder. So it's nice and relaxed, and it's so soft and cozy and just very cute. And I've rolled the hem under. I'll pull it out so you can see what it looks like if you were to leave it out. But this is just something you can throw on, and it's cute, but it's comfy and easy to wear and easy to throw on with jeans. And I've put it on with the high-rise button front flare jeans by Time and True that are amazing. I'm still just so shocked that these are Time and True jeans. They just look so good and fit so well and are true to size. And I think they're perfect when they are this length to wear them with some sneakers. So I put on the blue retro sneakers by No Boundaries that are so fun. And I thought just a bright blue was a great combination with the navy and the sweatshirt. And I just think this is fun, and it's a very on-trend look for spring. So this phenomenal jacket is the Time and True quilted cotton jacket, and it is so soft and very detailed. I love the trim that is on it, and then the buttons that are gold, and they have anchors on them, and they are metal, so very good quality. And the fit is so nice, and the quilting is lightweight for spring, so it's not like your puffer jackets, and it just looks really cute and very, very expensive. And the inside is a little satiny, which I thought was nice, and I did button it up as a top, but you can wear it open as a jacket as well. And I have on the high-rise wide leg jeans by Time and True in the medium wash, and they have an amazing vintage look and feel to them. And I am just in love with these. I could actually sleep in these too. They're really comfortable, and I can't get over their jeans this season. I'm really impressed. They've worked really hard on them, I can tell. And these are probably the best pair I have put on. And the dark wash is a little bit tighter than these. These are a little bit looser, and I should have gotten the even lighter wash. I think I'm going to order those. So, and they do come in tall, remember, so I love that they're doing that. And I just wanted to style this outfit with a pair of loafers, and so I chose my Sam Edelman Lorraine loafers in this tan color, but there is a Walmart version of this. It looks very similar to this that is great. I have them in a few different colors, but I don't have them in the tan, and they just added one in suede, so I will link that one for you. This is the cotton quilted jacket by Free Assembly in this cute little navy and white gingham. And I love that they actually covered the buttons in the gingham so they blend. They also allowed you to unbutton this and cuff it up because they put some of that gingham material on the other side, which is nice. And the sleeves are a little bit long on this one, so I'm going to want to cuff that up. And they also put slits in the side, which I think adds some great style to this jacket. So it's one of those perfect spring pieces that you can wear with loads of different things, and it's nice and soft cotton and very lightweight. And I thought it was adorable over this polo dress because the collar comes out and the jacket is collarless. So I thought that was fun, and you can do that with a top with this too. But this dress is the Free Assembly rib knit dress, which is pretty fitted, but it's really comfortable and it's really soft. And I love the polo collar and the V-neck. And I think this is a dress that you can do loads of different things with. Dress it up, dress it down, put a jacket over it if you're more comfortable, and it's just really nice and a really great price. And I did want to style this outfit with some navy shoes, so I chose my navy loafers, which weren't the perfect shoe, but I think they turned out pretty cute with it. And these are Free Assembly from the fall, and I just need to get some navy shoes. That's what I have come to realize after putting a lot of these outfits together is navy is everywhere right now. And so a navy or a white shoe would be a great thing to think about for the spring season. So I hope you enjoyed those Walmart pieces. I have more coming, so keep your eye out for them. And thank you so much for spending time with me today, and I will talk to you next time.